I have no idea.
You put it in there.
No, it was like that. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, her headphones.
Hey guys, we are over eating some
New L.O.L. and don't forget L.O.L. Day. So we got these L.O.Ls at the Target, well, L.O.L. Hunt, and we're gonna open these.
Yeah.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't open this thing. The wrapping. Oh my gosh, they hurt my fingers. It's great.
I only got some of it.
Oh my gosh. It's like I'm just gonna have to bite it.
No, Marin.
I can't open this thing. Oh my gosh. Please tell me. Oh my gosh, how do you get this thing out? Aaliyah.
You have to wait until it's...
There.
Lucky
Charm? Yeah, it says Lucky Charm. How come there's a little baby L.O.L. on here? Right here.
Oh, yeah, I can see.
That's weird. I can't hear it. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's how you open it.
Okay.
You're going to open it before me?
Mom. Look at me.
We got the same.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how do you open this?
I don't know.
So, give me open it. I need you
Yeah,
to
can
do
you
it
open it?
every time on the zipper for me.
It's
I can't
so
do it.
hot. Mom.
I think we're gonna. That's mine. Thank you. Oh my gosh. It's a glitter ball.
It's so glittery.
Even the wrapping. In this way is blue.
The baby.
This is gold. Wait, this is gold and this is blue. That's cool.
Okay, you got that?
Okay. Look at all my wrapping. I think I got way too much. Okay, I can't do that.
No, me. Mom.
Just like, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Marin, you can see the baby.
Oh my gosh, there's a star. That's the sticker. So you can do that.
It's so hard.
There's a baby.
Oh!
Why does that keep happening to you?
Wow, Marin, look.
Oh my gosh, it's the same.
I'm already on to the next layer.
Look at, I'm done with that. I got that. So I've got.
Marin,
Oh my gosh, it's a big sister. And a little sister.
Oh. Okay, now I get to open mine, Marin.
Okay. You do it.
I try over there.
Whoa! Cecilia, do it.
Look at, there's a bunch of accessories.
Okay, can you open this?
Wow.
The zipper.
So I'm gonna open her.
That I don't. Yeah, that's the pony opener. It's the,
I know. I'm gonna open her. It's gonna be
the
so.
yeah, the same thing. Thank you. Oh my god.
I need to get it straight.
Oh, wait.
I got the heart.
Oh.
We got the same.
I know. They are so cute. Now I'm gonna open this one.
I'm opening this.
I'm opening the big one.
I think. Oh, what is this? I got her outfit.
This scooper is so cute.
We got her sand. Here's her sand. It's a glitter. Look at Aaliyah. That's glitter. I'm gonna put on her little outfit.
Little outfit.
Wait, I think I'm gonna like open this one. I wonder if it's the shovel. Please.
Oh, they got the shovel.
Yeah, you do. That's the shovel. I got her outfit. Where's
I got her bottle.
Oh my gosh.
Marin, look at her bottle.
I think it's soda. Yeah, it's soda. Why would a horsey drink soda?
I don't know.
What is this? Oh, it's her shoes, I think. I got her bow, Mama.
Ooh.
I think it
Where
goes.
do you put the bow?
Right
I think
here.
you have to put it on your ear. Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. I had it upside down.
This is the bow.
We both got them? That's a shoe. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got mine.
I can't get her bow on.
Cute.
Oh yeah, I got it. Oh my gosh, her head came apart. It just like popped.
Okay, how do you put this on?
Is this mine? Oh, this? No.
I'm already done opening all of
I
them.
don't know where mine is.
I'm done opening.
What is this? Oh, these are
Did
mine?
you have your bottle? Do you have your bottle?
No, I
I already
got it.
opened all of them.
You dropped something behind you.
Yeah.
Oh.
The bow.
This is my bill.
What is
My
this?
bill fell off. Oh, so it's supposed to go.
There.
Oh, come
I
on.
got her
My
shovel. I got the shovel. So now it's a bottle of soda. Look at this table, Aaliyah.
I know. I'm putting on her clothes.
What
Look
is
how
this?
cute she looks.
Cute.
Now let's put on her bow.
Wait, hold up, wait a
I can't
minute.
really put it on.
Hold up, wait a minute, let's put some boom in it, boom. Get fired up, get boom, fired up.
Oh, I got my sand.
Yeah. Aaliyah,
Should we open the sand?
No, not
Oh,
yet.
no.
Okay. I'm gonna put mine in her.
That too. You're supposed to wear in the blue one. There.
No,
Can you do it for me? It's so hard. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, my little horse's bow fell off.
okay.
This is so
Marin, why's your head falling off?
I have no idea. Oh, there. She looks adorable.
Yeah.
Let's see her chocolate. Oh my god.
Are they all done? Are they all ready?
Yeah.
What
let's-
is that?
This is just like the sand.
Wait.
We need the shoes. The shoes is in the sand.
Yeah, they're in there. Yeah. Leah's right. They're always in there. What was that?
Okay, I'm already opening mine.
Look.
I'm gonna open mine.
I think I found one of
Let's
her.
start digging.
I think I found one of her shoes. Yep, I did.
I took them out. I took it out.
Her black shoes. They're covered. They have sand in them. Oh, there.
Okay,
They have
found
little
it.
hoovies.
Where's her other one? Found it.
Yeah.
They have little things in it.
Yeah, so the sand will stay in it.
Okay, I'm done opening mine.
Not me. Got two shoes out, now one more.
Now my hands are going to be all glittery. And the table's going to be glittery, kind of. Whoa.
Oh my god.
There's a bunch.
Must have just like thing that holds it. This just popped. When I took it out, it popped.
This one's very thin.
This is not going on very well.
Yeah.
I need this shovel. Work, shovel, work. Get to work, shovel. There.
Almost done.
I got that out. Now I'm gonna put on a little shoe. And I picked her up the bow. Came off.
My bow.
A lot of shoes.
My bow haven't came.
They're 4 shoes. Because horses need shoes when they have 4. Horses have fashion shoes?
Horseshoes, man.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm putting them on. I'm putting on her shoes.
I can't get them. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, their head popped. And then the bow popped up. Seriously?
I can't.
Why does that keep happening?
I know. You got a defective one.
Aaliyah's head doesn't pop off.
Yeah, mine doesn't.
Why does it happen?
I don't know.
Look at it.
I put
Serious.
on my shoe rug.
Oh well, I could take off the head for a little while to put on the shoe. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep off the head for a little while.
Why do you have sand in yours?
I have no idea.
You put it in there.
No, it was like that.
I'm not really be able to get it out.
Oh my gosh. L.O.L's head off.
No.
No, I won it. I won it.
I am. Oh my gosh.
This is so hard.
Yeah.
I can't even put on the shoes.
I can't either.
You're struggling.
I'm having a struggle.
I'm having a struggle.
You
There's
can't
shoes.
put on the shoes.
I'm having a struggle with these shoes. Oh my gosh. What is with the shoe? Oh, I
She's
think I
starting
got.
to lose her voice. Because she's talking so much.
Okay, I only got 2 shoes on.
I
There you
don't.
Now we just have to do the back. The back is the hardest.
Yeah, I'm doing this. Oh, I think. Why? I need help with these shoes.
Give me your thing.
Well, now we have 1 more shoe left. Okay, I'm done.
Thank
The headless horse.
Don't-
Oh,
Headless horse.
There goes your back.
Hers is graceful.
Graceful.
Well, it wasn't when
When her head came off.
Bye.